Hey, hello world. Once again, welcome to my channel CGD Master International. Today's video tutorial, I will teach you and you will learn how to open any files using the Visual Basic. First thing you will do is to select all the files that you want to open. For example, this is the file that you want to open. Audio file, Excel file, EXE file, JPEG file, PDF file, PowerPoint files, text file, video file, small file. All of these files can be opened very simply using the Visual Basic. Okay. The first thing you will do is to create a folder on the desktop and name it open file. Okay. This folder, you copy all the files that you wish to open. Okay, for example, this one. Copy this one here, this one here. Paste it. Okay. Now all the files are in the same directory folder. The name of the folder is open any file. Okay. Next thing we will do is to create a Visual Basic project in order to trigger procedure to open all of these files in one Visual Basic project. To do it, create Visual Basic project, executable standard executable files, okay, and in this file, this form, you insert command button. Okay, this command button we change the color to green, light green, again let it be visible, and change the font larger, change the name of the caption to PDF file, just the file that's click this button, the PDF file will open. Again, select the control array node to generate array. So change the PDF to the JPEG file, and then another file that text file. Yeah. We need to open the Microsoft Word file. Microsoft Excel file. For example, we need also to open the what else? PDF, JPEG, text file, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint file. It's very important. It's Microsoft PowerPoint file. Yes, PowerPoint. We can also open it. We can also open the audio file, the music file. Video file. Files and the executable file, any program. PDF, JPEG, text, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and EXE.FILE. Select the folder, open the file, now we have all the files that we need to finish. What we need to do is to put some proof there that if we click this button, it will open corresponding files. Okay, so let's just some file here and select PP and this one select the button. Okay, select that one. You can open this then I will just put some code. So for example, if I will edit file, I will code shell execute open function file, and I will just change the file name to file. Go back again to the floor. Click the JPEG. Okay. Then we will use the file name. The same shell execute function we are using in order to change the directory path, change folder. So what we need to change is the file name and its output. From JPEG, it's the output is also the. Go back to the form, go back to the text, okay, paste it. And the name of the file is text.file, and the extension is that text, okay. Go back to the form, click Microsoft Word, and we will open the Word file. Add okay, again to the form, open the EXE.FILE .xlsx. Go again to the form, the code, change the command PowerPoint file that PowerPoint. Now get the file. Code and file name to file up mp3, whatever the output. Again here, click the button, file, open the video file up in whatever the output file is. Then the last thing is the executable file. We will click and paste the code EXE.FILE .exe. Okay, we're almost done. That's it. We have already the PDF, we have the JPEG, we have the text file, we have the Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint file, we have the audio file, video file, and the exe file. Last thing we will do is just to declare these self-executed functions into the general declarations. How to do it? Just copy paste the scope, this private declare function self-execute group into on top of this function. That is, that's it. We're almost done. Now, next thing we will do is cast to save this project inside the folder. First, just allow me to rename this folder to the master. Open 25 run. Version 1 Here's it. Now here it is the CGD Master Open Any File program version 1.0. When if I click all this button, individual button, it will open its corresponding files. So we first save this one to the same folder directory where the file is located. So all the file is located in Open Any Files. Save the Visual Basic project inside the folder. Close this one. So now let's go to the desktop. Let's check. We can see that the file together with the Visual Basic program is located in the same directory. So now let's open the project. Let's run it. Let's see what will happen. Let's suppose it's on. Now this is how the Visual Basic project looks like. Okay, if I click the PDF file, it will open the PDF. If I click the JPEG file, it will open the JPEG. If I click the text file, it will open the text file. If I open the Microsoft Word file icon, it will open the Microsoft Word. If I will click the Microsoft Excel, it will open the Microsoft Excel file. If I will click the PowerPoint, it will open the Microsoft PowerPoint program file. Okay, this is PowerPoint. Okay, this one. And if I click the audio file, it will put. And if I open my video file, it will. Okay, and if I open the executable files, the executable file will open by clicking. The executable program is working. The program is working flawlessly and it's very nice, very simple. That is how the tutorial on how to open any file using Visual Basic. I hope that this tutorial helps you in any way, gives you some brilliant and valuable ideas in Visual Basic program. Thank you very much for watching. For more interesting tutorials, next videos, please like and subscribe to my